Hi, my name is Hannah Vanderweel, and I'm here to talk about our Chapter 6 lecture and reading a week just about the mind body problem. We touched on Descartes a little bit earlier, but I'm going to be talking more about Spinoza and Leibniz. I hope I said that right. So Spinoza was very interesting to me because I kind of had to do a little bit of research on kind of what he was talking about because I was trying to figure out, like, okay, so you have your mind and your body. And those are two completely distinct things. They are able to interact, but they're also distinct, so they're not connected or intertwined. So the reading I thought was very helpful because the reading definitely referred to it as in like a coin. So you have your heads and your tails. They both definitely mean everything different, but they're also connected in the center. So they're just two separate sides. I also did a great reading that had to do, or had I read something earlier that had to do with how a mirror image, if you have two different mirrors, something in the center, you can see that there's definitely like they're interacting, but they're definitely not the same thing. Like the same thing going on, if that makes sense. So yes, so Spinoza was very interesting with how he kind of phrased that, like they're separate, don't interact, distinct, but they do interact. My bad. Um, but yeah, so he also definitely believed in God, in that God made our mind, God made the mind, and that kind of was actually what originally went off of the mere idea, was that how the mind and the body interact and they correlate is because of God. Um, but they, like I said, mind and the body, they don't affect each other. He was he believed in panpsychism, so basically God is everywhere, and if he's able to, he's in charge of your mind and your body. He's also changing your mind and your body at the same time, and that is your mind's everywhere as well. So Leibniz was also very interesting because he believed in monadology. Um, so a monad, I'm pretty sure in the lecture, was referred to as a living, a living conscious atom, which almost was like a soul. And we're all made up of them, including God. And so God technically is the most all-knowing of all monads. So or of all things that contain monads, because literally everything contains monads. And so it's almost like God is the most enlightened, and then we as human beings are the second tier to that. So he believed that mind and the body are two distinct, completely distinct things. There's no interaction between them. He believed that God designed the world perfectly. And so that was psychophysical parallelism, which was interesting just because Spinoza kind of uh, described the mind and the body as parallel. The mind and the body were parallel as well, in different sorts of way, I guess. But yeah, so Leibniz believed that there was no mind-body interaction, and that we are all made of monads. And yeah, so anyways, yeah, thanks for watching my video, and hope you have a great rest of your week.